Meaning of early warning.
Early warning.
Early warning.
Early warning.
Early warning. Early warning refers to the alert or notification given in advance of a potential threat or danger. It is a proactive measure taken to prevent or mitigate negative consequences. The purpose of early warning is to provide enough time to prepare and respond appropriately to a situation, such as natural disasters, disease outbreaks, financial crises, or security threats. Early warning systems rely on data analysis, surveillance, monitoring, and communication technologies to detect and convey information in a timely and accurate manner. The effectiveness of early warning depends on the quality of the data, the speed of response, and the level of coordination among stakeholders.